The Etnyre Smart Clean is an optional value-added component to the Blacktopper Asphalt distributors with BT1 controls. Smart Clean is an automatic closed system which pulls flushing solvent from the Smart Clean tank, pumps it through the circulating system and spray bar, and returns the solvent to the Smart Clean tank. Smart Clean is provided as an additional operation to standard suckback procedures, which normally remove sufficient material from the circulating system. If, however, Smart Clean is desired after suckback, flushing solvent must be in the Smart Clean tank for the procedure. Turn the power switch on at the cab control panel. At the rear control panel, turn the emergency stop switch on. Press the auxiliary 2 Asphalt Pump Smart Clean button on the function keypad. Put the pump control to auto. Press start. The pump will start turning at a preset circulation rate of 200 gallons per minute, and for 2 minutes the system will engage a standard suckback. After this, the pump will start turning at the preset circulation rate of 50 gallons per minute, and the Smart Clean cycle will begin. During the pump clean period, which is factory set at 120 seconds, check the Smart Clean tank to confirm fluid is both draining and returning. Press the Home button on the function keypad. The Asphalt Pump Smart Clean is now complete. Please note, if fluid does not begin to drain from the Smart Clean tank, the following steps may be done in order to form a vacuum. Put the pump control to manual. Press start. Slowly turn the speed up until the Smart Clean tank starts to empty, somewhere near 150 gallons per minute. Turn the pump speed control back to auto to stop the pump. The pump should now have appropriate vacuum to run in auto Smart Clean modes. To stop the pump in manual control, select Auto Control. To stop the pump in auto control, turn the pump speed knob fully counterclockwise and select Manual Control. The pump can also be stopped by turning the emergency stop switch off.